Hello friends, my name is Marina Voronkov. I'm the person behind Everything Marina. My food blog has many macarons recipes and other desserts. I also have YouTube channel where I share videos how to make macarons and also other desserts. On my social media, on Instagram for example, I share many recipes and videos how to make macarons. You've probably seen them already. I like to break my macaron shells and show you what's inside. My macaron shells always full, have perfect fit, smooth top. Why you can follow my recipes? Why can you trust my recipes? Why can you learn from my recipes? Let me tell you about myself. I've been baking macarons for over 10 years now. I was selling macarons. That's how I started my business with macarons. Then was a COVID and I decided to stop selling macarons because I couldn't get just basic ingredients. I couldn't get eggs in a store, I couldn't get almond flour, and just overall the whole complication of talking to people and selling your product was really complicated during that time. And I decided to start my food blog where I can share recipes. I was looking on the internet and checking recipes, some different food bloggers, and I decided why I don't have my food blog. I have so many recipes I would like to share with you. That's how Everything Marina food blog started. I took so many different classes from professional chefs how to make macarons. I invested in my education and now I'm ready to share with you. The recipes I'll share with you really easy to follow, the simple ingredients, and everyone can make it. If you're homestay mom, if you're home baker, if you're professional chef, or maybe you just want to learn something new, then this channel is for you. I'm happy to share with you my knowledge and my recipes. I have over 200 recipes of macarons and other desserts on my blog, and I started YouTube channel where I can share my recipes with you. I hope you follow them, and I hope you're going to be watching them and sharing with your friends and families. Subscribe and follow me for all recipes and my tips and tricks how to make perfect macarons. Thank you for watching and happy baking!